These are the first 5 steps that I took before investing in the first real estate property. Let's keep it simple, guys. If you want to get a real estate property, I know you're thinking of the next 100 different steps that you have to do. Let me tell you about the first 5 that you should be thinking about, and I'll make it super simple. Step number 1, figure out the down payment. If you want to buy a duplex, it's $150,000. That might be $30,000 down. Whatever that down payment may be, step number 1 is figure that out. Step number 2, you cannot run another property if you can't figure out your financial budget. Every single month, you should be spending less than you make. Set that money aside so that you can accurately plan how many months is it going to take to be able to come up with step number 1, how much money do you need to buy a real estate property. Step number 3, might take somebody a while to be able to save up enough money month over month for the down payment. That's fine, because step number 3 is you need a network to be able to find that property. So as you're saving up money, I want you to sit down with every single realtor you know, literally talk to and tell every single person that you want to buy your first real estate property. Everybody knows somebody that owns real estate, and the more people that know what you're looking for is going to lead to opportunities when you do have that down payment. Step number 4, learn how to underwrite a real estate property. You can use a book, you can use a teacher, you can use YouTube, you can use Google. The knowledge around being able to underwrite, which is just simply being able to estimate what the rent will be, the income, and what the expenses will be, and whatever's left over, you need to continue to practice that. And you have time for practice, because back to step number 2, you're month over month, you're saving up money and setting it aside so that back to step number 1, you have that down payment ready to go. Step number 5, start interviewing property management companies. I would encourage everybody to really learn real estate. The people that are actually operating the real estate are the property management companies. Take time, sit down, interview, learn with local property management companies that you will hand that first property over to, that will help you learn and manage that first real estate property. That is the 5 first steps that I would do to be able to acquire a real estate property.